LS3 Swap. Looking at almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on a dyno yet, YouTube. If you've been thinking about a LS swap, I'm talking to you. If you're one of them people that always had the desire to do an LS swap, I'm talking to you. If you working on an LS swap, I'm talking to you. If you've been contemplating about doing an LS swap, but you have not because you think it's too complicated, I'm talking to you. I got some good news for y'all today. Today, YouTube, I want to tell you how anybody can do an LS swap on any kind of car with absolutely no experience at all. I seen a lot of people, part of the Chevys R Us Family, do an LS swap for their first time with no experience. That can be you too. You do these two things. Number one, put God first at whatever you do. And number two, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and connect with the Chevys R Us family. We can support you. We can help you. We can encourage you while you doing your LS swap. And make sure you join us for Go Live Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time so we can answer all of your LS swap questions. And you can show off your old school car. And if you ain't got that old school car yet, hey, no sweat. Don't worry about it. If you're interested in learning how anybody can find any kind of old school car for cheap, hey, click that link in the top right corner. It worked for me. I got two of them right behind me. 72 Impala, LS3 Swap. We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do that, YouTube, step by step. Did our own fuel system. We show y'all how to do that as well, step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know, step by step. LS swap, baby. As easy as you possibly can, as inexpensively as you possibly can, without sacrificing quality or performance. And we also got this one right here. This is our 75 convertible Caprice. Sitting in the woods, 28 years, y'all. Unmolested. Yeah, baby.
Here's one or two. And that thing is solid.
We got a roller, baby. We got a roller. A bit of air in the tire, just a little bit. Yeah, it was sitting in the woods for 28 years. And guess what? My method, it worked for me, and it'll also work for you. So y'all make sure y'all check that out. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Got both dumps in the garage. YouTube. This your boy, Tone. Coming back at y'all one more again with another great video on Chevys R Us, man. Y'all already know what time it is. Let's get it.